In the line today, we have a gooseneck snow den, a couple office trailers, a bathroom trailer, a junior, and even a leak test trailer. Okay, in today's shop walk, we have a gooseneck snow den and a bathroom trailer. The gooseneck snow den, they're just working on finishing the decking, getting everything sanded, puttied, and then they're gonna get ready to lay the floor. They have the walls set here. We'll use the crane to set the walls when the floor is done. We have a 2-stall bathroom trailer. There's gonna be another one coming in to follow it. Those will both go through the line, headed up to North Dakota. We have an office trailer. This is a stock office trailer. This is most likely going to go to some customers in North Dakota, Wyoming, Colorado, or other oil fields. We have a High Five Logistics office trailer. If you remember last week's walkthrough video, they're a company out of Arizona. They do Amazon deliveries. So this trailer is specifically designed for them. It's going to have an onboard solar system. It's going to have lithium batteries. This trailer will be able to stand alone off-grid when completed. We're going to go on the other side of the spray foam booth and check it out. So right here we have a leak detection trailer. This is for South Dakota Rural Water Systems. They're going to go to communities throughout South Dakota. This one specifically West River, so west of the Missouri River. They're going to use this again to leak detect in cities or in the country. Next station forward, we have a trailer for Western Basin Energy, WBI. This is going to be a trailer that they're going to use on site, keep their staff cool in the summer, warm in the winter, hang tools, put tools in, put equipment in. Gooseneck 7K torsions, big heavy 14-ply tires on this one. Lots of exterior lighting, some exterior outlets. This is in our charcoal gray finish, and you'll have to check out the inside. It's got all half-inch sanded plywood, so they'll be able to put whatever tooling on the walls is needed. Then on this side of the trailer, we have generator storage. They're going to put this big 11,000 watt generator in here, be able to slide it out when in use. It'll power this entire unit. Then the last station on the line, currently being used for a service job. This customer had some damage that happened during the storm, so we're going to get this taken care of and get them ready for the winter season. Okay, we're in the upstairs of our shop. We got a bunch of foam ready to build our standalone double bunks or any furniture product that we build. So in here, this is where some members of our team put together the furniture. They band it, they'll weld it downstairs. It'll come up here, band it, put the foam on, put the covers on, assemble all the parts, and then get them ready to ship out. So one of the other cool things upstairs here that a lot of people haven't seen is our new pleather upgrades. So this is a full pleather wrapped double bunk. So the top of the mattress is pleather, the bottom of the mattress is pleather. Works really good. We're gonna not tip the guitar over. Perfect. That looks nice. I like that.